Spring is here, and that means more buyers, more listings, and a lot more people asking the same question. What upgrades are actually worth the money when it comes time to sell? Let's talk about it. Before you grab that paintbrush or start tearing at your kitchen, there are 3 things you need to know. The right upgrades can help you sell faster and for more money. The wrong ones can eat into your profit and turn off buyers before they even walk through the door. Here's how to know the difference. When it comes to closing on your home purchase or refinance, experience matters. That's why we refer our clients to Friends Title and Escrow. They are attorney-owned and operated with local offices in Maryland and West Virginia. Friends Title and Escrow have you covered for all your closing needs. Licensed in Maryland, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Florida. They combine today's technology with an old-school personal touch. Let's start with what not to do. Going all in on a high-end kitchen remodel, luxury landscaping, or worst of all, leaving a project half-finished usually does not pay off. According to the latest cost versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel returns just 36% of what you put in. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready, not a work in progress. If you start a project, finish it. That missing cabinet or half-done tile job could end up costing you more than you think. This is where your money really counts. The data backs it up. Garage door replacements can return up to 268% return on investment, making them the highest return project in the country for the 2nd year in a row. A new steel entry door can return around 216%. Inside, focus on mid-range updates like new countertops and fixtures. A minor kitchen remodel is returning about 113% right now, compared to just 36% for a major remodel. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light neutral paint. Buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions matter, and most buyers decide how they feel about a home before they ever step inside. Hiring the right contractor can make or break your project, so take the time to find someone you trust. You could ask me, you could ask friends, neighbors for referrals, check local Facebook groups, or you can check the Better Business Bureau's directory. Once you have a few names, get at least 3 written quotes, confirm their license and insured, and ask to see photos of some of their recent work. A solid contractor will help you stay on budget, offer honest suggestions, and get the job done right the first time. Cutting corners here might seem like a way to save money, but it actually usually ends up costing more in the end. And one more thing, get everything in writing before the work begins. A clear contract protects both of you. If you're planning to sell this spring and want to focus on the improvements that actually add value, not just the expensive ones, I'd love to help. Every market is different, and I can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your home, your timeline, and what buyers in your area are looking for right now. Call or email me to set up a free, no-obligation strategy call, and let's put together a plan to get you the best return this spring.